Welcome to the PSA video sessions. My name is Paul Dwyer. I'm part of the PSA technical support group, and today we're going to show you how to connect up the 10-year interconnectable wireless lithium battery smoke alarm. Okay, I'm going to show you how easy it is to create a network. Okay, so this is the full wireless smoke alarm, just to let you know quickly. So we're going to do I'm going to do a quick test, and this is what I want you to do when you go on site before you, or when you go to do an install. Okay, so when you turn up on site, you're going to find yourself a desk or a table or something like that, and you're going to unpack all your smoke alarms onto the desk. Okay, here we're going to set up all the network first, make sure it's working before we fit off. Okay, it's very important you follow this. Okay, so we're going to get our first smoke alarm. Now when we say first smoke alarm, we're talking about we're going to create our coordinator. Okay, so this one's going to be the one that monitors the network, and this is going to be the one that we need all the others to connect to. Okay, very simple. So we just get our smoke alarm, the first one, which is going to be the coordinator, and all we do is put the base on. Okay, by hearing that high pitch, high pitch tweak, it means that we've started the smoke alarm, the batteries have been activated, and now it's going into a one-on, one-off situation. We want to make it the coordinator, so we double tap the test and hush button, like that, and now it'll sonar ping, just like that. Okay, so that means it's searching. It's searching for other smoke alarms. Okay, so, and not only that, it's flashing twice, which tells us that it is the coordinator. It's the one that needs to be in the most central point. So there we go. There's our coordinator set up, looking for the others. Let's go get another smoke. Let's go get another smoke alarm. Out of the box it comes. Here we go. This simple. Put the base on, just like that. Hear the noise. Once again, one on, one off. It's flashing, and very shortly we're waiting for what we call a twiddle, just like that. And then once the twiddle happens, that means it's automatically connected to our coordinator. Then we can move on. We can go on and on and on, no matter how many smoke alarms you have, or up to 24 in a row. Okay, this time we're going to introduce a wired 240 smoke alarm. Okay, but we want it to connect to our wireless ones. So what do we need for that? We need a wireless base, don't we? So we get ourselves a wireless base. We've got ourselves the LIF 5800/2s or the RL/2s, and they fit on our wireless base, no problem at all. And they're going to connect to this smoke alarm. Okay, so we get our hardwired smoke alarm, put it on its base like that. There's going to be no beep because it's a wireless base. Okay, so it doesn't have any sound to let you know, but it does have a little link button. Okay, so now it's going one on, one off, and then automatically it's connected to our coordinator. How do I know that? Because it's flashing 3 times. So the other ones that are connected to the coordinator flash 3, and the coordinator always flashes twice. That's how you know the difference. Okay, let's go one step further. Okay, we've got 3 smoke alarms already set up. We've got from full wireless down to our wireless base and our 240 volt smoke alarm. Let's shut the network down first. So we double tap on the test hush button. This will close our wireless network. Okay, so there you go. Now, some months later, some weeks later, the customer rings you back up. They want another smoke alarm to be introduced. Okay, so we're going to go back to the premises with another smoke alarm and place a smoke alarm in. Here's one we've prepared earlier. Okay, so there we go. So what we're going to do is we're going to open up the network again, just like this. Double tap. Hear the sonar ping, so it's looking for the smoke alarms. Okay, and all we're going to do is put our new one on its base. And we're going to wait for our twiddle. Remember the twiddle? Alright, it'll automatically connect after a couple of seconds, sometimes a little bit longer than others, but there you go. That's what you're listening for, is your twiddle. A very distinctive sound compared to the other sounds that these make. Alright, to close the wireless network, once again, we just double tap. 2 beeps count down to shut down, and they're all shut down, and all the flashes will stop. That means your network's done, right there. Right, simple. If you want to test your network once again, You just do a double tap to open the network. They'll all flash. You can work out which one's the coordinator, which one's the other smoke alarms connected to the coordinator. When you finish, you know they're all connected. Just do a double tap. And then don't forget, before you leave, after you fit them all off, press the test button and test them all. Make sure they're all going off, and that means they're all connected to the coordinator. Okay, so thanks for your time today. Hope you've enjoyed this video. It's just a short one, but you know, there'll be more videos to come. See you later.